What is a pattern? A mathematical pattern is one that is arranged in a particular sequence that follows a definite rule. That is a patterns. Repeating patterns. Repeating patterns are those that have the same unit repeating. So look at the example. The same design only repeating again and again. So to make a design. So that is the repeating patterns. Next, growing or reducing patterns. Growing or reducing patterns increase or decrease by a constant difference. So look at the example, the first one, capital A, the sizes are reducing. Second example, 5, 10, 15, 20, the numbers are increasing, so it is growing pattern. Next, progressive patterns. Patterns that increase or decrease in two or more ways are called progressive patterns. Look at the example. Example is mat. The pattern is growing in two ways. First way, the numbers of stitches in each ring is increasing. Second one, the color is progressing from light to dark. Example shown above is a progressive pattern. How can it is a progressive pattern? Because the numbers are increasing. So 3, 6, 18, 72, 360. The numbers are increasing. And another way, the number multiplied. The number multiplied is also increasing. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 4s are 72, 72 5s are 360. So the number multiplied is increasing. So it is a progressive pattern. Let's find the rules of these progressive patterns. So which numbers we will be add or subtract or multiply or divide, and we will get the 3. So first find what is the rule. So can we try? So 1 plus 2, 3. So I'll start to write it. Plus 2 here plus, so 1 plus 2, 3. Can we try, so 2 after 3, so 3 plus 3, it will get 6, so it is not 7. So I can move on this, 3 plus 4, 7. So 7 plus 6, the answer is 13, and plus 8, 13 plus 8 equal to 21. So look at this number, 2, 4, 6, 8. So multiples of 2, okay, like a skip counting are multiples of 2. So the numbers are increasing, and also the difference adding 2, that is addition, isn't it? So addition 2, that is multiples of 2 also increasing. The difference, the multiples of 2. So adding the numbers also increasing. So it is the progressive pattern. And next, so identify the rules. 15, 10, 6, 3, 1. The numbers are increasing, and what is the difference? We have to find it. So what is the rules? So here, can you put this minus 5, 15 minus 5, 10. So subtraction, minus 5. Here minus 4, 10 minus 4, 6. Minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So again one more time check it. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So the different subtraction numbers also decreasing. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so this is one of the progressive pattern. Next, so find the rules. 3, 6, 24, 192, the numbers are increasing, and what is the rule? In between, can we multiply 3 2s are 6? So multiplication, multiply 2, and so 6 4s are 24. So look at this. So it will also increasing. So 2 plus 2 is a 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. So multiply 8. Multiply 8. So 24 into 8. So check it now. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 into 8 equals 192. So the numbers also increasing. The difference multiply the numbers also increasing. So it is a progressive pattern.